everyone, this is David for 941 Tech, and today we're going to take a quick look at some of Apple's new silicone cases for their iPhone 15 Pro Max. Starting with orange sorbet, clay, which is a very grey colour, winter blue, a green again this year which is called Cypress, and then Guava, which is probably my favourite. So looking at orange sorbet fitted to the phone, as you can see, really precise, no mute cut out this year. We've got the action button. These fit really well, as they always do with Apple. This is the clay. This goes really nice with the natural titanium on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Really nice combination this. Apple always does some kind of muted colour, but they also always do a blue, and this year is no different. We've got winter blue this year. Again, beautiful fit, goes really well with this. What I would say is that I've tried a few cases on the iPhone 15 Pro Max and there doesn't seem to be a bad colour combination, to be fair. Much like the phones, there's no bad colour. The Cypress, really nice looking case, this one. Goes really well. USB-C cutout. And Guava. I really like this. It's very pink, not red at all. As I said before, there's no product red case this year. I would say at the moment, of these five, this is my favourite. That'll probably change tomorrow, but at the moment, this is my favourite.